High Five is made possible through a generous donation from Ron and Susan Crump.
Sometimes a person is guided by a desire to pass along their knowledge. Woody Davis, a volunteer for the Nevada State Museum in Carson City, is one of those people, and he has a favorite group to pass it along to.
Well, I really love helping the children. In Nevada, when you're a fourth grader, you learn Nevada history, their teachers bring them to the museum, and I just love showing them around.
Woody was inspired to become a tour guide by what he saw at other museums.
I always had a feeling whenever I went to a museum or a castle or a palace and I saw the tour guides do their job, that I used to say to myself, hey, I can do that too. I think I can do that.
If you pair his knowledge with his desire to pass it along, you get Woody's ultimate reason for giving tours at the museum.
This is a varied, greatly varied state. It has a lot to offer, a lot of history, a lot of natural sights, and just the education of the kids and the adults. The adults come here, many of them from out of state, out of the country. They don't know a thing about Nevada, and you're trying to make an impression on them about what a great state it is.
For teaching Nevada fourth graders and the rest of the world about Nevada history, Channel 5 salutes Woody Davis and all of the Nevada State Museum volunteers.
For more information on this or any High Five, visit our website, knpb.org.